Hello and welcome. I wish all my children a good day. You're here with us at DP Kids for another origami creation. I know that you're all eager to make it with us, but today it's not an origami creation per se, but it's something you can use to play with. What is it? It's a wristwatch. A watch that you can tie around your hand and use it. Let's see how to use it or how to make it. Now take a piece of paper which is 15 into 15 centimeter paper, which you can then make a wristwatch like this. So if you need a bigger wristwatch, take a bigger piece of paper. Fold it first like this, and then fold it in half again like that on the other side. Right, this corner you bring it to the middle, and then keep your finger and then fold that edge to the middle again. Do the same thing on the other side as well. The corner comes to the middle and then the edge comes to the middle again. Then fold it in half. Make sure that the inner side cannot be seen. This corner has to be brought to the middle, and this corner also has to be brought to the middle. Then slowly open it up. Now these two need to be folded in like this. Watch carefully. It has to go in. This line goes in. Then slowly fold it back like this. Fold this flap like this and do the same thing on the other side. Do the same thing on the other side now. Now press on those lines and now slowly open it up. And then put your finger into the bottom and push it out. Push out the middle. You'll find a little square in the middle when you open it up like that. Now the band is over. The wristwatch's band is done. You can use it like this itself if you want. You can draw the face of a clock here, or draw the face of a watch, or even draw something else, or paste a sticker here if you wish. So you can put this in here because there's a sort of a pocket here, and the wristwatch will stay around your hand without an issue. Look how easy it was to make. So now you try to make it and give it to your little sister, little brother, or your friends. Now have fun making these things. Stay with us with DP Kids. See you soon.